Where is this here?
He's coming down.
Let him come.
Morning, sir. Morning. Head on.
I want to commend pictures for this show of force.
Aja, no good there.
Who has come to join us for this parade. For the next 1 to 2 weeks, to reassure the members of the public that they are safe and Rivers is safe. I've been observing your movement around, it's commendable, and I want you to keep it up. When you are in contact with a member of the public, try to be polite as much as possible. Be courteous when you are conducting your stop and search. And make sure you patrol all the vulnerable points and key points within the command. Let's reassure people that they are in safe hands. Rivers very, very safe, and we are going to keep them safe. Is that clear? Yes, sir. We are trying to see how to arrange for welfare for you. So all of you that are here, let your unit commander submit your names to complete list to the admin so that we can process and keep you posted. Is that clear? Yes, sir. So let's be polite and let's make sure we behave ourselves. I wish us the best. Thank you, sir. Any questions?
Well, unit commanders.
Carry on.
The name is not complete, lad. You know the name. Moto.
Well, you know the situation in the command because of the political issues on ground. I just have to talk to them to ensure they behave themselves while on convoy patrol. The convoy patrol is to ensure that good people of River State are safe. And I want to reassure them that there's peace in River State, and we've sent them out to go on show of force to let them know that we are ready, and continue to assure them that the town will be peaceful, and for anyone who wants to foment any trouble, we'll ensure that we keep him where he belongs. I've just charged them to be courteous with the member of the public, do their job diligently, and ensure they patrol all nooks and crannies of River State Command.
To achieve peace together as one family?
Well, we've been talking to them. This is not the first time. Even before they left their bases from their different squadrons to this place to ensure they assist in fortifying security in the command. We've been lecturing them. Their commanders have equally told them to ensure they respect human rights and ensure that people's rights are not being infringed on while they are performing their duty. They also have seen that Rivers is calm. I don't think there will be need for anyone to harass anyone. Teams are also out, the ex-squad and monitoring teams are out to check the men on their duties. My ACOs, DCOs are equally out. I'm equally going out myself to check them and make sure they're doing the right thing. So I believe they will be civil to members of the public and do what is needed for them to do.
Okay, how much of contribution or cooperation are we expecting from the Nigerian police as it implies, as it affects other security arms to actually supporting the solar distributor to seeing that it succeeds in its assignment?
Well, that's our duty. We have to ensure that it succeeds. We'll give all necessary support we can as it demands. And I'm sure he's aware we have no choice than to support him to ensure that Rivers is calm. And the few time he's going to spend here, we're going to have peace in the River State.
Okay, sir, just one question. We understand that when we have situations of joint security task force or joint security patrol, the issue of rivalry, especially among the junior officers, normally occur. So what do you do to ensure that such rivalry does not occur?
Well, such rivalry I don't think it's happening around us here. We've been working in synergy together for a very long time. You know, Rivers, there have been one thing or the other to do in Rivers. There have been issues and we've always been working together for a very long time. So I don't see them flexing muscle or having issue with themselves. We also have trainings and joint lectures together, and we've been working together. And I think you've not heard of them having issues with them themselves for some time now, if at all. So I don't think we have that, and they are all aware that we are working together and we have a purpose for which we are working together. So I don't think that will occur. And if it does, we are all working in synergy with the senior officers, so we have a way of solving such problems.
How long is this meant to last? And I'm also interested about their welfare. How much of commitment are we expecting from your end, from the echelon of the force, to seeing that their welfare is taken care of?
Okay, this patrol will last for as long as we feel we should, and as long as we are assured that the members of the public in Rivers State are at rest and they know that yes, they're actually safe, and also to the dictates of the sole administrator on how events unfold. For their welfare, activities are going on to ensure their welfare are being met. That's why I discussed with them, and we've been doing that. This is not the first time. The last time they came together like that, the IGP made arrangements for their welfare, and they were giving exactly what is due to them. So I can assure you their welfare is taken care of, and very soon they will
For the likely troublemakers, what message do you have?
Well, for the likely troublemakers, I want to tell you that River State is not for them. We are well prepared. For those who feel they want to make trouble, we are ready. But I believe Rivers people are peaceful, and they will not raise any ugly head for us to have any cause to have any issue with anybody.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is real punishment.
Who has come to join us for this parade?
For the next 1 to 2 weeks, to reassure the members of the public that they are safe and Rivers is safe. I've been observing your movement around, it's commendable, and I want you to keep it up. When you are in contact with a member of the public, try to be polite as much as possible. Be courteous when you are conducting your stop and search, and make sure you patrol all the vulnerable points and key points within the community.